The XYA electric pruning shears kit is designed to effortlessly handle branches up to 30 millimeters in diameter, making it ideal for maintaining healthy plants and trees. With its advanced brushless motor technology, this tool delivers enhanced efficiency by providing more power while consuming less energy, ensuring longer runtimes and smooth operation. Equipped with two 2000 milliampere-hour lithium batteries, the shears offer extended runtime and quick recharging, perfect for tackling larger gardening tasks without interruptions. The durable SK5 steel blades ensure sharp, clean cuts that promote healthier plant growth, setting this tool apart from traditional models. This electric pruning shear caters to both professionals and DIY gardeners, allowing you to comfortably trim branches up to 1.2 inches in diameter, making gardening less time-consuming. The complete toolkit includes everything you need for efficient gardening, such as the pruning shear, 2 batteries, a charger, sharpening stone, replacement blades, lubricating oil, a wrench set, and a carrying case.